Here we're looking at our infrastructure division. The infrastructure division is very focused on the DAS antennas, both in-building and outdoor DAS antennas, including stadium antennas, optimized for LTE, MIMO, and we have been coming out with new MIMO antennas in one enclosure, and one of our flagship models that have come out and we have just recently announced would be our small full MIMO antennas with great performance that is covering the bands from 698 to 2.7 gigahertz. So it's covering the entire LTE band, and it's a very, very nice small size antenna that is very convenient for the installers to use. We also have a full MIMO panel antenna that covers the bands from 700 to 2.7 gigahertz, and that is also completing our in-building MIMO portfolio. That antenna also is IP65, so if someone wants to install it in parking lots, that's absolutely no problem. Also, our Tetra antennas are uniquely positioned antennas because we have antennas that go from 380 megahertz. They're going to up to 6 gigahertz. So they're also covering the Tetra band, as well are they covering the 3.5 gigahertz in-building free spectrum that is coming up. We have also the capability to install those antennas in a very nice way with our through ceiling installation mode. So those antennas are actually looking very nice. And for a Tetra capable antenna, that is a unique feature, because all competing antennas that are available would not have this kind of form factor, and we believe that this will give an advantage for our customers to use those antennas in new installations. Part of our DAS antenna portfolio is a very extensive outdoor DAS antenna product portfolio. Here you're seeing one of our outdoor DAS antennas. That is our extent antenna that covers also full MIMO from 700 to 2.7 megahertz. And we also have the stadium antenna in the background here. That is a leading edge antenna that we have worked very hard to meet all the all new RF requirements that are needed for this kind of a product. Also, our recent product that we have come out with is a 14-inch antenna that actually we have from 700 megahertz to 960 megahertz, and also going up all the way to 2.7 gigahertz, and it's a specially ruggedized antenna for very harsh environments that we have been testing this antenna for 175 miles per hour wind speed, so it can be installed in the most difficult regions, if it is in California or wherever in the US, in order to meet those rough environments.